If you've heard about ChatGPT but aren't quite sure what it is or how to use it, stick around because, in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about AI, by the end of this video, you'll know how ChatGPT can help you with everyday tasks, creative ideas, and more. Let's dive in. This video is part of a series, Artificial Intelligence for Everyone. Do subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any episodes of this series. We start this series with how to use ChatGPT effectively. When I first heard about ChatGPT, I assumed it was just another social media app like Snapchat or WhatsApp and didn't pay much attention. However, it has now become my most used application, and I consider it my best assistant. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. It's like having a super smart assistant who can help you with a ton of things, from answering questions and brainstorming ideas to writing content or even solving math problems. ChatGPT is the finest and most popular example of generative artificial intelligence. This branch of artificial intelligence is a subset of machine learning, focused on generating new, original content, text, images, music and videos. ChatGPT is built on OpenAI's proprietary series of generative pre-trained transformer, GPT, models. It learns from lots of conversations using human feedback. The first public version, launched in November 2022, used GPT 3.5. A better version, called GPT 3.5 Turbo, improved response accuracy. In March 2023, with the ChatGPT Plus subscription, a more advanced model called GPT-4 was introduced. Later, a faster and more powerful version, GPT-4o, was created. It can understand text, images, audio, and video, and is available for free within a usage limit, with higher limits for paid users. A smaller, cheaper version, GPT-4o Mini, replaced GPT 3.5 in July 2024. By September 2024, OpenAI was preparing to release two new versions, called OpenAI O1 and OpenAI 1 Mini. ChatGPT was released as a freely available research preview, but due to its popularity, OpenAI now operates the service on a freemium model. Users on its free tier can access GPT-4o. The ChatGPT subscriptions, Plus, Team, and Enterprise, provide additional features such as DALL-E 3 image generation and an increased usage limit. You can use ChatGPT either by using a web browser or installing the app on your mobile phone. From your web browser, visit chat.openai.com and start chatting. ChatGPT mobile app is available on iOS and Android, so you can use it on the go. Some third-party platforms integrate ChatGPT, so you might encounter it in apps you already use, like Canva, Slack, or even in Microsoft Office products like Word and Excel. Now let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT. Let us see some common and useful scenarios. The first use case we take is learning and study help. We will use the example prompt, explain the water cycle in simple terms. A prompt is natural language text describing the task that an AI should perform. Let us open ChatGPT in the browser. You will need to create an account to use it. The account can be created easily using your Google account. As of now, that is, in October 2024, you can use GPT-4 for free. Earlier, only version 3.5 was available for free. Now let us input our example prompt, explain the water cycle in simple terms. As you can see, ChatGPT starts responding. It can break down complex topics into simple, digestible explanations, making it a fantastic tool for students. ChatGPT is good at creating text. Let us see how it can help us in writing articles, essays, emails, or even blog posts. ChatGPT can help draft, edit, or polish your text. We would ask it to write a blog post on fitness tips. For this, we will use an example prompt: help me write an introduction for my blog post about fitness tips. Let us input the prompt: help me write an introduction for my blog post about fitness tips. You can see it has generated an introduction to our desired blog post. Let us now give an additional prompt to write the complete blog post. ChatGPT remembers the previous prompt as what the topic is and generates a complete blog post. Let's see how ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas. For this, we take an example prompt: give me 5 unique business ideas for a side hustle. ChatGPT can also help you stay organized and boost your productivity. To illustrate this, let's use an example prompt: create a study schedule for my upcoming exams. ChatGPT can do more than just text. It can even write computer program code. Let's see a demonstration with an example prompt: write a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. Let me give you some other example prompts for different use cases. Daily tasks: what should I make for dinner with chicken and broccoli? Travel tips: what are some must-see attractions in Tokyo? Fun and games: can you tell me a joke? Learning a new skill: how do I get started with knitting? Whatever you need, ChatGPT can be your go-to assistant. These were a few examples of simple prompts. Prompting is an art, and prompts can become complex and detailed for specific tasks, ensuring AI tools perform exactly as needed. We'll explore more about prompting later in this series. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. And there you have it. Whether you are using the free version or upgrading to GPT-4, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can make your life easier, more productive, and even more fun. Give it a try, and I guarantee you'll find something it can help you with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on tech and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.